This is another case of tetralogy of Fallot. In this particular case, the heart is relatively big, especially the right heart structures. Note the right ventricle, quite a bit larger than the left. Here we have the overriding of the aorta, nicely seen. The right ventricular sinus is quite large, whereas the right ventricular outflow tract is going to be relatively narrow because of the conal septum. But look here at the three-vessel view. We have a very dilated and pulsatile pulmonary artery. And here you see the flow back and forth from the right ventricle into the pulmonary artery. This is the hallmark of absent pulmonary valve leaflet syndrome. When you put the Doppler in there, type of sound, sawing sound, typical of absent pulmonary valve leaflets. You can see the pulmonary annulus relatively small, but you really see no true leaflets in that outflow tract, more like vestigial buds. When you put the color back on in the outflow tract of the right ventricle, you'll see just the two back and forth flow. Here we've cut the flow gain way down so that you can see it a little bit better. This is a large malaligned ventricular septal defect. Size of the aortic annulus. And in the sagittal, you see the same large right ventricular sinus, narrowed right ventricular outflow tract, and where the pulmonary valves should be, you see the little buds, and here it measures about half the size of the aorta. IVC and SVC are well seen.